Thanks, Courtney. Jamaica College and the Campion College will contest the ISSA Urban Area Under-16 Best-of-3 basketball finals starting on January 31. Following semi-final wins over Ardennes and St. George's College respectively on Wednesday. Number 2 seed JC, led by Kimani Phillips with 23 points and 20 rebounds, brushed aside Ardennes 64-54. Xavier Keys chipped in with 10 points and 8 boards for the Dark Blues. Sekou Pringle had 18 points and 13 rebounds for Ardennes in the losing effort.
Focus for 40 minutes. Sometimes the guys break down and lose focus and lose concentration. And, you know, them being kids, we have to just recognize and make sure we keep them in line.
In the other semi-final, Campion College pulled out a slender 54-53 overtime win over St. George's College. Mike Imani Swain scored a game-high 22 points to go along with 12 rebounds and 11 steals for Campion, while Jonathan Morgan added 13 points and 24 boards. The venue for the final is yet to be announced.